How to change font in Roblox. Hey guys, this is Lucy with another tutorial video, and today I am going to show you how to change fonts in Roblox. First, you need to go to Google and search for font. For me, I am choosing fonts.google.com to collect font. You can choose any font you want. So for me, I choose this font right here. I click on it and I click on the get font in the right top part of the page, and I'll click on download. After it's download, I will go to the file location as it's in a zip file, so I will right click on it and I will click on extract all, and I will set the location for the folder and I will click on extract. So after this, it will show you where the font is. This is the one we need, so drag it to the desktop. After that, right click on Roblox and open file location. So here you need to go to the content folder. Inside it, there's another folder called fonts. So you need to click on that and search for the font that says Source Pro Bold. So what we need to do is we need to copy the name of this file and delete it. So we go back to the desktop and copy the font that we preferred. So this is a file, this is the font that I preferred. Now I need to rename it to the one that I copied earlier, that is Source Sans Pro Bold, and I'll click on enter. After you've done all this process, your font should be changed. If it isn't, make sure you have renamed your font with the name Source Sans Pro Bold. And that's it for changing font in Roblox. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this. Meet you guys in the next video.